DJI Air 2S Mastershots. Let's take a look and see how that works. Coming up. Bill, Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. I am loving the DJI Air 2S. Every time I get this up in the air, I am having an absolute blast with it. Well, one of the fun features that DJI has added this year is Mastershots. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to go ahead and test Mastershots here. Let's see how this works. Everybody has been really enjoying this, and I saw a couple of videos on that today, including our very own Ron Brown. So we're going to go ahead and get this started here. So let's take off here.
Take off.
Okay, now Ron, I noticed in Ron's video, probably get it up to about 30 or 40 feet here. Let's take it out a little bit. Turn it around. Let's point the gimbal down. All right, let's go ahead and get Mastershots. Tap the subject. Okay. And check subject and flight route. I think we're good there. Let's go ahead and get started here.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, we're zooming in and out here. And this is going to do a medium circle. It's going to do a close circle. We're doing a droney. And plenty of clear sky to do that. Now we're going to do a circle from far. We're going to do pitch up and fly forward here. Do a rocket now. Camera down and circle. Camera straight and descend. Mastershots is complete. And we're turned to the home point, starting point. So let's go ahead. Now I'm getting a little preview of it. Isn't that interesting? that wonderful obstacle avoidance there. And it detects me. How about that? All right, let's go ahead and get this guy landed. All right, Mastershots was a complete success. Mastershots was absolutely fun. One of the things that you do need to do, however, is you need to make sure that you do it in an area like I did, where there is plenty of room on all sides around, and you got to make sure you have enough altitude. Question of the day: what do you think of Mastershots on the DJI Air 2S? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.